guys, we're here at Homesteaders of America conference in Virginia 2021. This is our booth at AJ Farms with Coturnix Quail. We are also Homestead Evolution.
I got scissors, quail egg, membrane. You can take a chicken egg and crack it and open it. I can peel all the shell off this and not open it.
Oh wow.
So the membrane is really thick. So the quail egg scissors will make like a guillotine.
Oh.
We'll slice it open, and you'll have a cup, and then you can keep your yolk whole.
So
Dump
I've
it.
seen some chefs that like just use the paring knife to take the tops off, so I was wondering.
So if you have a chef and you supply them quail eggs, they will love you if you give them.
Okay, that's cool. That is very cool. You know what? I totally do that.
You would.
I would like that. That's great. Thank you for asking.
So smaller footprint. Okay, so this is a small version, so you can keep 6 birds in here rather well. The photo is a larger version, which is 6 foot high, 4 foot long. I can keep 192 breeders in that system. So, and that's in an outbuilding. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean,
Because we have the electricity out there, so the heat lamps and stuff.
they can survive sub-zero as long as they can get in from the weather. The biggest thing is keeping this from freezing. Water. They just need water.
even keep your chicken coop.
I think we should.
You want to be careful. You don't want your chickens getting on the top of them and then getting, because they will get diseases from chickens.
Yeah, no, this
they
isn't
do
totally,
poop on
they have their
top
own
of
coop, and all the other birds, like the turkeys, ducks, and chickens are all together.
Right.
But we were just talking about, if the barn is on the other side of the property,
Okay.
so that would be...
We have
could
plenty of
even-
things.
That would be really neat. And then we can maybe add like speckling.
Are quail loud?
No. The rooster will crow. You'll hear the rooster crow, and usually when one starts, the others will start. And that's just because it's a hey, I'm here, because there's females around. They're going to give you an egg a day like a chicken if given the appropriate light. So about 300 a day.
That's awesome.
So 17 days to hatch it, 6 weeks to mature.
Okay, that's not bad at all, because ours took so much longer than
So 6 weeks, they're mature, and usually in week 6 or 7, they're going to start dropping you eggs. So if you get shipped eggs, this tells you a little bit about what to do with the shipped eggs.
Okay.
How
Fantastic.
many eggs do you ship at one time?
Minimum, I think minimum is 15 eggs.
Okay.
Which actually gets you 20. We always send
We
extra.
always send extra, and shipping's always included, guys. There is no hidden cost for shipping.
Incubation, temperature. Yeah, this is great.
I
This
have
is fantastic.
not. I don't have a incubator yet, but I plan to get one. And I've been wanting to hatch out duck eggs, turkey eggs, chicken eggs. So having an incubator to be able to do all that.
My suggestion, if you're going to incubate, spend a little money, get yourself a cabinet.
I want to get the Lindsay biggest cabinet.
Of course you want
It's $1,000.
the Cadillac of incubators.
We
but
use a GQ out. So it's towards it. I think it's about $850. A watering reservoir you have to buy separate. But we hatched chicken, turkeys, quail. It's basically a set it and forget it. I always tell the people you can catch a golf ball in it. But if you're going to raise food for yourself, that is an investment. You definitely want to spend your money. Yeah, AJ Farms is the business, so you'll find us on Facebook and Instagram. But YouTube, we're Homestead Evolution, because if the business failed today, this is how we live. We just share what we do. So we garden can, make soap, raise bees, breed rabbits,
Change wheel bearings.
choose wheel bearings on wheel, it's just
Great.
So that's great. Thank you so much.
Great.
We'll
You're welcome.
definitely
Thank you for
follow
the
you.
information too.
And what is your name?
My name is Beth. This is Nico, and this is Billy.
Okay.
Nice to
Nico's
meet you.
entire existence is following YouTubers that do homesteading and birds and all
Okay.
kinds of stuff.
Great.
I'm blessed because
this place
I don't
for
worry about what
YouTubers.
he's watching because he comes to me and shows me. Mom.
Well, like I said, whether you buy from us or not, we'll help. Just you can reach out to us on do the farm page or whatever. We'll answer questions. So we help everybody, whether you buy from us or not, because we want you to have a good experience.
Fantastic.
We want you to encourage you to keep going.
Stacy's our other bird lady. She does all the bird testing in our area. So for
Right.
shows and stuff.
We're
Miss America.
testers also.
So
She's Miss America.
Is she?
Miss Agriculture USA.
There you go.
So she's.
I didn't know there was a Miss Agriculture USA.
Yeah.
So do they say what is that cost?
You see their little egg?
I can pick that bird and set it on the ground, and it's just gonna walk around. No idea of anything. And if it lays an egg, oh well. It doesn't. It's been the best. It's what I call the chicken quail. I think it's been so good. You can feather sex these in 4 weeks.
Oh, look at those quail
Oh,
eggs.
she's getting the last of them.
Oh,
Sold out already.
they're so cute.
You don't have quail, girl.
I know. I tried to talk Zach into it when we were at our last place.
Bring him over here. I'll get him convinced.
Do you have any here?
There's quail in
Oh,
there.
you want to get some quail?
All right.
So I've got 2, 4, 6. Hey, hon, I got a half dozen left. That's it.
So, did you get to look at them?
I haven't looked at them. No, I haven't
Get
looked
in
at
here
them.
before everybody else walks up here.
Oh my goodness, look at them things.
I know. Jess said she can't convince you.
I haven't been convinced.
I am
So
recording.
what do you love about them? Why should I get them?
Why should you get them? Because I say you should. Okay, these guys, you do meat chickens, right?
Yep.
Okay. When do you butcher? 10 weeks?
10 weeks.
10 weeks, that's when we do our meat chickens. Okay. You can raise one of these if you're looking at $18.75 a bag for feed, which you're not anymore. When we were doing it, to 6 weeks, you're looking at 60 cents. Okay? 17 days to hatch. If you don't have an incubator, you can use a birdie hen. Okay? 6 weeks. Eggs. Those guys are 11 weeks old. Most people butcher 8 to 10 weeks. We like to go to 12. That feed to meat ratio conversion is right about 10 weeks.
Okay.
But we like the thicker breast. It'll get a thicker breast meat on it at 10 weeks.
Okay.
And then, so we go to 12.
Gotcha.
That little bit of extra feed is...
Wife's done been here. I know, that's why I'm over here now. Hey, hide your wallet. Yeah.
He'll tell you, hide your wallet.
I know it.
But there, and that's it. The kids can handle it.
Right.
I don't have to worry about a Roo
Right.
jumping at my kids. They're,
She gets them.
the only thing we had to get her head wrapped around real good was that that's the best way to raise them.
Yeah,
You're having them
right.
off ground.
Right.
But the poop ratio to a chicken is like 6 to 1. So ground, you know, it gets saturated, you'll get the coccidia, and it's cleaner this way. They keep their water all the way up high so they can't soil it. The feed's on the outside, eggs roll out.
So you just got water going down the spigot
Yep.
there, okay.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Our actual system, this is just our observation system, which is built exactly like our large system.
Right.
There's a picture over there.
Okay.
Him standing. We use a metro rack, you know, like storage shelf from Lowe's.
Right. Yeah, we actually have those exact things in our basement for our pantry.
Right, that's a shoe rack.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a little shoe rack.
Okay.
And he bought it. He said, I wonder if I can put, see if we can do a little one.
Right.
And then it was found in a drop pan, a 3/4 sheet baking pan from Super. This is
Right.
perfect.
It works out well.
And we had the ones for the big one made. What we're telling people now is find your pan and build your wire cage to your pan. You can adjust the size of that wire. You can't adjust the size of the pan. And if you have to go wood frame, do wood frame. But try to get as much away from wood as you can because it harbors bacteria.
Yeah, sure.
If they're, oh, I'll power wash it. Well, you're driving your bacteria further into your wood.
Yeah.
So keep it clean.
Right.
And the chicken eggs, I don't have it with me, but I'm allergic to chicken eggs.
Oh, okay.
So
I'm allergic
when
to
they
duck
start
eggs.
hatching,
Really?
Mm,
You may have a problem with it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a lot
It's more
a
like
duck?
a duck egg.
Gotcha.
Right.
shrink wrap it in the bird.
Yeah.
But the meat part, that's
The
that's
meat
win.
is it's those guys, those jumbos, they're 12, 14 ounces standing weight. So you get 6 to 7 ounces dressed. And we have a rigorous breeding program. If they're at 4 weeks, we weigh them out. If they don't hit 200 grams, quail is talking grams, it's 7 ounces.
Gotcha.
So they're out in the coal pen.
Okay.
And culling it, they don't mean killing it. You know,
Okay.
somebody else might want that bird just for eggs. I don't want meat. I just want eggs. Okay, well that's good for you. And we sell to falconers. We sell to reptile people. We sell raw feed people for the cats.
Yeah.
The lady comes up twice a year for cat food. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't have to do anything to them but the deed, and she takes them and does the rest. Process them for cats. So then there's the meat in your freezer. Plus you got extra. And we compost everything. We try to eat and use everything on everything we got.
Yeah,
You know?
absolutely. That's the way to do it. Sounds like they have a lot of uses.
So you need quail. You need
Sounds like
quail.
I'm gonna be eating quail.
That's my friend Joy. What are you doing? Taking up Janet's space? Was she speaking?
She did a thing this morning, I think, and then she went to go. She's with Gary right now, and I don't know if she went to go get something to eat or.
Well, I haven't been able to get out of the booth. My son just texted me and said, I'm here. I said, I've got to go find John.
Oh,
I don't know. See what I'm doing.
Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. So have you made all the rounds?
I have not. I've gotten as far as Kaylee and here.
Oh boy.
That's it. I have no idea what else is going on in the world.
Oh yeah, yeah. So
You
how
should-
are your quail sales during the
Brilliant.
pandemic?
We haven't stopped.
Oh.
The incubators we have 4 of the big GQF incubators. 2 of them have run for the last 2 years. We just shut them off. We said we've got to clean. We got to do a deep clean. I mean, we're wiping them down and doing disinfecting, but we need to get into the electronics and get it cleaned out.
Wow, you were
Cranking.
Oh, good.
I sold out of hatching eggs within the first 20 minutes.
That's crazy.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Been busy.
People
Been really busy.
ready, and they're
I know.
about it.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We're more about the teaching though. You know, it's do it. Just do something. And with the observation cage that we have, it's you know, you can do it on a balcony. You can do it in an apartment, a condo, on the back porch of a townhouse. It doesn't matter. You can do it.
So great because a lot of places they're, you know, rated chickens or poultry, but you don't have quail.
Right.
So I was
Well, in Virginia, they're not considered poultry.
yeah, exactly.
by the state.
Our state
Right.
either, yeah.
Right.
And it's really nice because if somebody's like, oh, I wish there weren't chicken restrictions. I said, well, have you thought about quail? And then I sent
Right.
them to your page.
Right. Right.
Like, look here.
Look here. Look here. I want to see if I can get how far I can get before I get texted.
Yes. Good luck. I know, it's such eye candy.
I know.